Do you suffer from FOMO? Fear of missing out. I mean, there's just so many things to do and attend and places to go. You've got this event and your friend's birthday, and you've got this thing you want to learn. Oh, wait, no, there's actually 10 things you want to learn. And you feel like you're constantly missing out on cool stuff and very critical opportunities even. Look, that's a lot of anxiety. That's a lot of stress. And that is just like, oh my gosh, but I want this and that and that and that. And you know, we only can do one thing at a time. I know you might want to clone yourself and be at 5 places at once. I hear you. I get that way too. But let's learn how to prevent FOMO so that whatever we are engaging in, we're fully there, fully present, fully soaking in all the richness of what it is that we're doing so that we can have some internal peace. My name is Desiree DeLune. I am an acupuncturist, herbalist, and I specialize in emotional and energetic release work. So if you want to learn how to free the flow of your chi and not just have it flowing, but also glowing, then hang out with me and learn cool techniques, especially using essential oils to move that chi. At the root of all this FOMO is that we feel inadequate. We are missing out because we are lacking, and we want to fill in all of those deficiencies. We want to fill in all of the lack. Oh my goodness, what if I missed some important tool or technique from that course that was really going to help my practice? Oh my goodness, that book is going to offer something that's going to just change my mind and change my whole outlook and maybe give me a massive transformation. Oh, there is this ayahuasca event that my friend is going to and invited me to, and what if I miss out on that major transformation? We're constantly thinking that we need something in order to, fill something we don't have. And look, here's how you prevent FOMO. It's worthiness. Worthiness is the way to prevent it. When you know that you have everything you need inside of you and you know how to make decisions well too, because there are legitimately some books that we need to read, legitimately some, friend hangouts we gotta go to, and some events that are really valuable for us, that are important for our growth and expansion and evolution. But we shouldn't have so much anxiety about choosing which one. And the fact that we've chosen one, we've eliminated, any other opportunities. When you make a choice, you make that decision from anything else. Because let's say 2 things fall on the same day at the same time. Well, one of them is absolutely right for you, and then the other one isn't. Okay? So when you know your worth, you have this incredible barometer inside of you, knowing like, oh yeah, that is definitely going to add to my life experience. It's going to up-level my life experience. And that one, not so much. There's always a best choice. There's always a right answer, a right choice for where you're at in your life right now. If you make a decision to do something, to be somewhere, to learn something, to engage in something because it was fear motivated, because it was fear driven, like, oh my goodness, everyone else is going to have these great experiences, and what if I don't get it, right? If it's fear driven, it's never going to be nutritious for you. So we want inspiration to drive and make your choices, not fear to do that. There are 2 dangers with making choices and getting involved in things because of FOMO. One is that you're going to invite in all kinds of pathological chi. And when you do, it is going to create incredible disruption of smooth flow of energy in your system. They really act like toxins, just like the liver has to clean out toxins right out of the bloodstream. Well, guess what? Your body has to clean out these energetic toxins as a result. When we are dealing with things that are not right for us, they become a poison to the body energetically. So when you have this overload, like a toxic overload happening, but then another danger is energy depletion, because you have to expend so much extra energy to be where you're not supposed to be. Your body has to really gear up for this. And so it's going to have to be on high alert, and it's going to have to remove toxins too, right? And that all is expenditure of energy. So not only are we damaging the system, but then now like the immune system has to work overtime. And I'm talking about energetic immune system. So then you have depletion of energy. So what does this all mean? We lose our vitality, we lose our clarity, we lose our focus, we lose our strength and our power. You know, think of this world as filled with all kinds of ingredients, and you want high quality ingredients when you're cooking a meal. Yes, you want food that is picked locally, that is pesticide free, that is real food, not processed food, and it's just filled with nutrition for your body. So same thing with people, places, ideas, circumstances, situations. They need to be of good quality for you. And how do we determine this? Well, guess what? The more you love and accept yourself, the more you are honest with yourself, the more you cultivate the sense of self-worth and you value who you are, guess what? You're not going to prostitute your energy in the wrong places and the wrong spaces. There is indeed a right time, a right place, a right person, a right situation, a right idea, a right approach. There is always something that is right for you right now. And the only way you're going to know what's right for you is that you know, love, and accept you. And how do we do that? Well, you got to clear that shame out. You've got to release that unworthiness, undeservingness, the not good enough, that I don't matter. Those need to be let go of. And then, of course, the opposite, cultivated in that you are indeed valuable, that you matter, that you're important, that you are needed in this world, and you recognize that. And you always do what's right for you at this time. When you engage in what is right, guess what? There's nothing else. You're not missing out on anything else, because there is one absolute right and best answer for you at this time. It could change later, okay? It's just about being present with yourself right now and know your cycles, know your rhythms. How do you do all this? Well, we do have an I Am Worthy workshop if you're watching in the month of March of 2022, or we do this every quarter. So just come and attend an I Am Worthy workshop, and we will go ahead and flush out all of that. I'm not good enough. I suck. I'm not deserving. I'm not worthy. Get all of that gunk out of there, and then we're going to go ahead and weave in that worthiness right afterwards. And we use essential oils to do this, because guess what? Mother Nature does not lie. Mother Nature knows purity. Ooh, Mother Nature holds all of those frequencies for us to experience She feeds us, she supports us, nurtures us, takes care of us. And when you use the essential oils on the body, on meridians and acupuncture points in the way that I teach, we can shift any kind of frequency that you're experiencing. You don't even have to think about it. It just happens subconsciously. It's amazing. All right, well, thanks so much for hanging out with me. And if you would like 3 of my best blends from my I'm Fabulous book, go ahead and check the link in the description below. And I also have a few books. I Am Fabulous, I Am Worthy, I Am Magnetic, and the newest, Elements of Emotion. And if you loved this content, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so that you are notified when a new video is up every week. Thanks so much. Bye.